Well, here's the latest truck I purchased. It's one of the moldiest, grossest trucks I've ever bought. As you can see, there's mold, or mildew, I guess, whatever you want to call it, growing all over the hood. And you can see it's 50 years. It's been sitting out in the woods here, just growing here. Yeah, it's all over the front grille, but as you'll see, it gets worse once you get into the interior here. That's where it gets really gross. It's animal hair and feces. Layers and layers of feces on the floor. It is gross. The box that is shot around here, tires, they're not in the best shape either. This side, my main concern is the floor. With all that literally crap on the floor, I wonder if it rotted it through there. Hopefully not, but I have a feeling it did. But we'll find out when we start cleaning that out there. Now you can see more of the mold growing on there. It's really thick on this side. But hopefully it all power washes off. Box, that's going to be the first thing I take off here. See if it has a hydraulic cylinder. Yeah, it looks like it does, that blue thing there. To get the torch and take that off. So next step is I'll get the tractor out and we'll get this box off and go from there. Next step is to get the power washer out and see if we can get all this mold off here. It's on. The camera's picking it up, how thick that stuff growed on there. But that's going to be the next step, and we'll go from there. Well, so far so good. I just have a little power washer. You don't want to use anything too powerful or it'll take the paint right off these trucks. Come on, it's coming off real good. Kind of see some of the original color on there. Well, I'll keep doing that and we'll see how it turns out. Yeah, you can see how thick that stuff growed on there, but sure coming off nice. I'll just keep cleaning. We'll be back in a little bit. Well, there's after its bath. Didn't shine up too bad. So it's getting almost too cold out. So I'm gonna probably pull it in the shed next, and we'll just take some Scotch-Brite pads and some warm soapy water. And I think this was the original color, and they'd repaint it. So as we start scrubbing, I don't know if this lighter color is gonna come off or what's gonna happen. I guess we'll find out. Okay, time to start cleaning this disgusting, gross interior. I'm just hoping the floor ain't rusted through all the way. Stuff's so gross. Oh, amazingly, yeah, I don't know if I can zoom in here. That ain't working. Oh, this side don't look too bad. Let's pause this here. We'll go to the other side. Okay. Gross. Okay, moment of truth. Let's lift up this rubber mat. Well, it looks like someone's put a patch panel in there before, so you can sort of, I suppose you can't see here. You can sort of see underneath here it's rusted. Someone put this patch panel, but oh no, not too bad. So I'm gonna keep cleaning here and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, well there's, after a little cleaning, seat needs to be cleaned off a little bit more, but amazingly this floor turned out pretty good. I thought for sure this would be all rusted out, but oh no, it's pretty solid. So next step is we'll start on cleaning the outside and go from there. Well, here's what it looks like so far. Just been scrubbing. I guess that's going to be the final color here, but you can see not much oxidization there and rust. But as I'm sanding here, or scuffing, I should say, these are scuff pads. It's kind of going down to bare metal there, but what do? You have to get all that rust off there. And just so you know, this is I'm just using scuffing pads. These are 360s. I would never use this on regular paint. Usually I just use Scotch-Brite pads, but since this is not no show truck, it ain't gonna really affect this paint too much. It's been painted over who knows how many times. So I'm gonna keep going and we'll go from there. Well, here's the door so far. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. Water there. Yeah, that's going to be the final color of the truck, I guess. So it gives you an idea what it'll look like once I put the linseed oil, but keep scrubbing. We'll see what the finished product here is in a little bit. Okay, time to put some linseed oil on. Here's the brand I use, Sunnyside. Got it from Menards a couple years ago. I think it's roughly up to $30 now for a gallon. You can do about maybe 10 trucks with 1 gallon. You just gotta put a nice light coat on. It's all it takes to get the paint all nice and shined up. Okay, hopefully that's showing up on camera here. I'm gonna keep putting this on and we'll go from there. Okay, here's the hood so far. You can really see how, I mean, this metal is so dry. I suppose, or the paint's dry, it really soaks it up. Yeah, I might end up taking a couple coats just to get it on there. Yeah, but so far so good. So I'm gonna keep doing this and we'll see how she turns out. Well, there's how it turned out. Start on the front here. There was a huge dent right here. I was able to take a rubber mallet and pound that out. Got some black paint, sort of redid the lettering. Headlight was broke out. I had an extra bezel and light bulb I put in there. Of course, the linseed oil I put on the paint. I remember all the mold that was growing on there. I think it looks a little better. Rims and tires, just gave the rims a coat of black paint, armor on the tires. Interior wise, I just ended up using a car seat cover for the seat for now. And again, the floor, it's amazing that didn't rust out. I mean, it's some rust, but yeah, not too bad. Even above the windshield, a lot of times that'll all rust out. Not too bad. If you're interested in buying any detailing supplies, I have some links in my description for Amazon products. I get a small cut of that and I appreciate it. It helps with the channel. Go to the other side here. Yeah, this side too. It's been patched before the floor, but doesn't look too bad. So this truck, it was $300. It was on its way to the scrap yard, and it's sort of nice to save it. I don't think it looks too bad. You can leave a comment in the comment section if you think it was worth fixing, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome. So if you like these type of videos, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.